Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to sign Gmail contact to iPhone. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all, click on settings, then scroll down, click on apps. Okay, then scroll down. Okay, then tap on mail option. Click mail, then scroll down, okay, click on this option, tap on mail, then back and tap on mail account, then click on Gmail and tap on contact. That's all. To sign contract from Gmail to iPhone. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.